Hi guys. Okay, thank you for joining. Everyone has been wondering, what do I put on my face? So this is what I put on my face. It's very cheap and you can get it at your local store. I got mine personally from Dollar Tree, paid $1 for it. I use toothpaste on my face. It gets rid of acne, blackheads. It works really good. It leaves your face feeling cool and soft and it feels awesome. Like, really, you do need to try this. And like I said, I paid $1 for this. This is the box it came in. It's hard to see. I will put it in the description below what I'm using. And I guess the reason why this one works so good, sorry the camera's over here, but I'm thinking it's right here. Okay, the reason why I think it works so good is because it's baking soda with peroxide. That's really good. Okay, so how you do it and how long do you do it? Drink water, that would help, and make sure your face is wet. So usually I do it by the sink. I splash water on my face and I put it on, but I'm in my room trying to show you guys how to do it, so I got a wet washcloth. Okay, I'm gonna dab my face, because you never want to drag your face down because gravity is already pulling your face down, so you don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna kind of like do like that. Circular rotations work better. And just to get it like wet, making sure it's wet. I did say I was gonna dab it, but I'm sorry. I didn't. Okay, now my face, it feels wet. So I'm gonna put my hair behind my ears. Okay, now we're gonna use the toothpaste. And it smells good too. Put some on your finger and just like, make sure you do not get it in your eyes. Stay in between like your cheekbones, like you can go around wherever you can just put it on the infected areas if you want to, and just leave it like that. But if you want to do it like that instead of going all over, you need to like kind of like rub it in, and you'll be at a sink probably. Turn on the faucet, put it on your finger, and kind of like dab it some more, because see, it's not burning. You need to make it burn. Burning will help. So I need to wet it. This might not work, so I might have to go to the sink, because you don't want it to go away. It's not wanting to burn. Let me go wet my face real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to rub this along. And you just rub it in like so. Now I'm gonna do this literally all over my face. And it's literally toothpaste. It's already starting to burn. Like, you're gonna see my eyes start watering. Like, it's getting to my eyes very bad. So that's why I said do not put it in your eyes. Now, I usually have a lot of blackheads on my nose, so I try to make it a little thicker. If you hear anything in the background, my boyfriend is laying in bed watching videos. Ooh, that got kind of close. It's raining outside too. Oh, it's burning. It's burning. It's burning my eyes. I'm starting to tear up. It takes a minute. Okay. And see, I got more bumps all around here. That's from the caffeine. If you are like me and you love like soft drinks, then you need to do this for like a week with me. This is day 2 of the first day. I'm doing it Friday. Tomorrow's Friday, but I'm doing it morning and night. I've never did that before. I usually do it once and it was every night. Oh man, it is burning, and when you fan it, it burns even more. Okay, now I'm gonna put it all up here, so I'm gonna keep doing this and I'm gonna put it on up. I'll be right back, and when I come back it'll be all up there. Okay, I'm back and it is it's burning pretty good. I'm gonna get this off my finger. I just got done and we're gonna sit here for at least about 10 minutes. You're supposed to sit through this whole thing. Whew, it's burning. It's burning. We're gonna sit here for a few minutes and let it stop burning. Once it stops burning, so like it's very cold. It's like a cold burn, if that makes any sense. Okay. We're gonna sit here until it stops, and then when it stops, I will be back. So, but I'm gonna pop in here and there to show you, you know, how long I've been sitting here. Right now it's 10:58 p.m. Okay, all right, we're stopping. Oh, it's burning so bad. Like, it's burning, and it's 11 o'clock now. So, it will burn really, really bad, and then it'll start like lifting up. Oh, I'm starting to tear up. Here it's coming. So we're gonna sit a little. That's scary. It just thundered out there. So we're gonna sit here a little bit longer, okay? Whew. I'm hoping it'll light up very, very soon, because it's definitely burning. It's burning very, very bad. All right, we're stopping again. So it's been exactly 10 minutes. It's lightening up. It's stopping to burn. It's late, y'all. It's not burning as bad. So I'm just gonna sit here and let it finish calming down, because you can literally feel it, you know, calming down, if that makes sense. And it's starting to dry too. So we're gonna sit here a little bit longer, and then I'm going to wash it off. Okay, it's 11:10, so now I'm gonna wash it off. And how I do it is I took a wet washcloth, but usually I have running water, because once you get so much on here, you need to rinse it off. So I might have to cut it depending on how much will be on here, because you just be putting it back on. Okay, now how you do it, I usually use warm water. Now it done got cold because we got the fan on, which makes it worse on burning. But you use circular rotation. You just keep rubbing it until it's all gone, and you just keep rubbing, and your face is gonna be like really, really, really shiny when it's all off. And how we're gonna dry it is we're just gonna fan dry it like that. But we're gonna use a circular rotation, and you just keep on doing that all the way. You don't want to drag down your face. I need more water on here. Usually I put it on there like under the sink faucet, let it run on there, and then you just wipe it without rinse, like doing that. All right, I'm gonna keep doing it, and I'll be right back. Okay, my face is done. Now we're just letting it dry, and the fan's on, so it's making it like so cold. Now your face is gonna be extremely cold, and it's still gonna have like a burn feel because you rinsed it off, and it's reacting, I guess, the toothpaste, because when you wet it again, it kind of activates again to do the burning again, if that makes sense. So now how I do it is I stick the washcloth over your hand, and you stick it under the sink. Don't wring it out. Just grab it like that, and then do a circular rotation, okay? And then how I do it is the washcloth laid on me. I don't have, yeah, I do. I got my makeup washcloth. It's gonna look dirty, but it's my makeup washcloth. So like my extra makeup, I just wipe off with it. Okay, this is my makeup washcloth. So I put it in there like that. So whenever it's like, well, it's usually like that, and I hold the extra so it don't fall everywhere, and I hold it under the sink like that, and I just like rub that to clean it off, and I keep going, just keep going, and it feels really good. So now when it's done, then you fan it, which my fan's on, so it's doing it for me, and your face feels so good. It's still wet right in here, but it's so smooth, and when you touch it, it's so cold. Like, you really need to experience this. It really works. I got bumps, but they're all popping up now, but they're gonna go away. They're pulling them up to the surface to take them away. The blackheads are coming out. You're gonna be able to tell a difference in just 3 days. I'm telling you. And drink plenty of water. That will help. And the toothpaste that I use is right here again. And again, I am going to put it in the description below. So it's baking soda and peroxide, and it's the fresh mint. So it's blue. And I really, really like it. Usually I use the white con, but this one I think is working the best because it has baking soda and peroxide. Alright, thank y'all guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on TikTok. Love y'all. TikTok. Love you. Bye. Mwah.